Stone Soup. Adapted by Lesley Sims. Illustrated by Georgien Overwater. Once there was a poor man. He came to a cottage. An old woman opened the door. "May I rest here for a while?" "No, go away." "I can make soup from a stone," said the man. "You can?" said the woman. "Show me." She put a big pot of water on the fire. Oof! The old man added a shiny stone. The soup bubbled. The old man tasted it. Mmm, yummy. An onion would make it better, he said. So the old woman chopped an onion and popped it in. The soup bubbled. The old man tasted it. "A potato would make it better," he said. So the old woman chopped a potato and popped it in. The soup bubbled. The old man tasted it. He licked his lips. Some meat would make it better still. So the old woman chopped some meat and popped it in. The old man put it into bowls. "It is yummy," said the old woman. "That stone must be magic." The old man smiled. He washed the stone and put it in his pocket. "Stay for supper," said the woman. "We can have soup." About stone soup. This story is based on an old folktale from Europe. In some countries, it is called nail soup, and a nail is used instead of a stone. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe. Want to check out the other stories we've read? Here's the link. Do you have a favorite book you want read aloud? Leave it in the comments below.